Following are a few highlights of this week's episode.
He's dead. Wanted to go in there, but he did one.
One down.
Who's there? Good job.
One down.
Come on.
Welcome to the realm of the Dakota Sportsmen, a band of brothers spread throughout the Dakota territories whose passion is the outdoors.
Take them. Hit.
Come on.
Dakota Sportsmen TV. Brought to you by
I got him.
CCUSA, protect, hunt, compete. Pierce, South Dakota, in the heart of the outdoors. Black Hills Ammunition, the power of performance. Dakota Phones Incorporated, where old school and innovation meet.
Hey guys, Dave Gates here with Dakota Sportsmen TV. Now on our second show on the Pursuit channel. Now last week you saw our 2013 pheasant hunt where Game Fish and Park said the bird population was down in excess of 65%. And Paul and I had a hard time getting 7 birds on that show in 2 days. Well, this year you guys are in for a treat. In 2014 the birds came back in 1 year. 2013 there was 30 inches of snow in the month of April, which killed the first nest. The hens set another nest. We had 2 hailstorms which killed 2 more broods of pheasants. Now we didn't have that happen in 2014. We didn't have that 30 inches of snow. The hens had good broods. Everything looked good. We got out there this year and there were birds. I mean, it was, we haven't seen that number of birds in a few years. They're coming back. Now, we had 7 guys, 5 of the normal guys that we had, plus Mike brought 2 other guys out of Sioux Falls. Now, what we were able to do is we're able to shoot 3 birds apiece. So 7 times 3 is 21, 2 days, 42 birds. Now, we got our 42 birds, guys. And we had some shooting. I don't know how I'm going to get all the action into this story and still keep the story pure like we want to do. But we're going to give it a try here, boys. So hang on to your seats here because we're going for a ride. This is quite an adventure.
Talked to Mike, he got over to that game production area over east of Presho. He said when he turned out of Presho east, he had to dodge 20 roosters right in the middle of the road. Okay, well that's on private land, so we don't know what's going to be going on in the game production area, but it's also really foggy there. You can't tell anything that's going on. There's nobody on there, so we got it. Where are we? Huh? Want to come out? Oh boy, yeah, game on.
It is October 18th here in central South Dakota. We are 3 miles north of Presho. We're on the game production area out here where we got all the guys. We got Mike and his friends from Sioux Falls. We got Fred from Spearfish and my dad and myself from Rapid City. We're here on this game production area, which is absolutely gorgeous. We've got a lot of water for the birds. We've got some crops for the birds, and we've got some cover for the birds. Those 3 things together should help us have a wonderful day. Let's have some fun.
I forgot to bring my shotgun I can shoot steel with, and we're on a game preserve. I mean a game production area. I got my Browning and I'm not going to ruin it. It's a 1952 Browning A5, full choke 30-inch barrel. Not ruining it. I'll just do camera.
kept running right on down.
Guys, let's hold off and wait for these.
He's on, I think he's on point. Max might be.
The boys started out by missing a few birds today. This segment has been brought to you by CCUSA. Protect, hunt, compete.